This is the Xiaomi Mi 11, and this is a smartphone that Xiaomi announced at their global event for the international market a couple days ago, but to my surprise, I looked it up online and tech reviewers have had this for a month already. So this is the international version of the Xiaomi 11. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed with my first impressions. So this does have 8 gigabytes of RAM and then 128 gigabytes of storage. No, I cannot read Chinese. This is just my common sense. Alexa, this is not the time to be giving me notifications. So we have this little box here. So we have our SIM card tool, and then they give us a case as well. I remember this being in the presentation. Let's go ahead and just put my SIM card in there. And then the phone is wrapped in this plastic, which is kind of interesting. Not used to smartphones coming in like that. This is a very thick screen protector. That wasn't that satisfying. Oh! The back of the phone smells like nothing. Ooh! That smells like fish. Like fish. Ooh. Yep, nope. 0 out of 10 in terms of smell. It smells disgusting. I'm not saying fish smells bad, but honestly, I love fish myself, but it's not a smell that you expect from a smartphone. And it's a smell that you should be expecting. Like, if I walk into a grocery store, I don't want the whole grocery store to smell like fish. I want the fish section to smell like fish. Yeah, I'm not smelling this anymore. Let's just get this powered on. Let me go ahead and put my SIM card in here. Oh, ooh, what does this smell like? It smells like plastic. Ooh, 5G, look at that. MIUI, welcome back. Should I put my SIM card in here? Isn't Xiaomi banned in the US? What is this? What? I know there's an English option, but I thought this was the international version. Shouldn't international be English default? Also, no offense, this display, it's not 3:42 a.m. by the way, but this is a nice looking display. SIM card is going in. So like I said before, this is a pretty nice back. Like I'm rocking with the back. Xiaomi has never disappointed in terms of design in the back of their phones. There's so much color, so much color. Network setup. What is this? How am I supposed to type on this? Let me try typing in buy, B-Y-E. Xiaomi, this is not international. Why is buy in the middle and then the first word suggested in Chinese? I don't understand. First of all, where's the English keyboard? This is not the international version. There's no way. There's no way. Where's my English keyboard? I mean, that animation's pretty slick, but what? How am I supposed to work this phone? Oh, there we go. Wait, this still isn't English. Okay, there we go. Woo! English keyboard, guys, we're back. All right, so I'm still going through the setup process. I like the animations, I'll give them that. Location-based services, yeah, whatever. So one thing I will mention is that the haptic feedback is actually pretty strong in this phone, a lot stronger than I was expecting. Location, you're getting turned off. All of this is getting turned off. No way, turn off. I'm in the phone. Xiaomi, we're back. Okay, so this does have the Snapdragon 888. Like I said before, it has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 120 gigabytes of storage, Wi-Fi 6, flagship specs, 120 hertz. Did you guys can't see that. Look what happens when I swipe over here. What is this? I guess, agree. What is this? What is this? I mean, the NASDAQ is there. I know what the NASDAQ is. This is not... I chose English, did I not? What is this? Honestly. What is this? Is this an international phone? Xiaomi? What is this? This is not international. These are the default apps loaded on the phone. What is this? This just popped up out of nowhere. This is my assistant, I'm assuming. Agree. Mi AI currently supports only Mandarin Chinese. Is this not the international version?
你好，我是小爱同学，你的人工智能助理。想要和我说话，可以先点击左下角的小球，然后对我说最近的假期还有几天。
Hello.
That sounds a bit different. Could you try again?
I said the word hi.
好像没说对，不过我们继续吧。那么想第一时间了解天气情况，试试对我说今天天气。
Let's just go ahead and skip this. All right, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. All right, let's go to something that I know what to do. Why did that come up out of nowhere too? Okay, let's go to camera. All right, so let's do portrait mode. This should be nice and easy. Do one right here. One to the left. One to the right. All right, let's look at these photos real quick. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Why is my skin so smooth? Okay, usually, what is this? Usually I say I look good in my portrait mode, but this is not me. This is not me. Why is my skin extra smooth? This is not me. Who is this? Let me go to a different photo. Why is my skin so smooth? Who is this? I legit look like a Barbie doll. You can tell it's doing some type of smoothing because if you look through my lenses, you can see my actual skin, how it's, kind of a bit rough. And then outside the glasses, the lens, everything is just smooth. Even my neck. What? My ear. Everything is smooth. I mean, granted, the background, blurry, bokeh, whatever you want to call it, it looks good. But my face, like, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm not looking at myself. Okay, let me just take a regular photo and see if that happens. This is even worse. This looks like I'm wearing makeup. This looks like I'm a Sims character. This looks so fake. I look odd. I don't like looking at myself. That's so creepy. That's so creepy. Oh my God. No. This is a red flag, and I'm not talking about the Chinese flag either. Let's do video recording real quick. Okay, so this is me doing a test of the recording on the Xiaomi 11 international version. I swear I got sent the wrong phone. This is not international. But yeah, this is looking good. Looking pretty good. Honestly, this is a pass. See, now I look good. Now I look normal. Now I look good. Yep, Xiaomi video front-facing camera, pass for me. Okay, off the camera. Okay, so now let's open up the internet browser. Tell us what you like. I like tech. Start off with that. Sure, I agree. Yeah, no thanks. What? What is this? What? Go back. What is this? I'm about to get demonetized. Oh my God. What am I? This is not the international version. Why am I still swiping? Why am I still swiping? Why does she look like she's in shock? She has the same face that I have right now with this phone. I'm about to get demonetized. Oh my God, they're making out in front of me. Keep swiping. What? We're done. We're done. We're done with the browser. What is this phone? Okay, let's just go to a simple website like, why is it always asking me to do something? I just want to go to youtube.com. Buying guide for the MacBook lineup that Apple has for, I guess, mid 2020. And I think now's a good time to make this video because Apple's pretty much refreshed all their MacBooks as of now, not the 16-inch, but they pretty much gutted all their butterfly switches and now have the Magic Keyboard. Speakers they're definitely not flagship. They're really like soft. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. I have no idea what this is, guys. So let's go into the health app. I know in the press release that they had a health beats per minute. Basically, it can measure your heartbeat on the phone. So that's what I want to do real quick. All right, so now I'm going to test the heart rate detection. I want to say right now I'm probably at around 70. It should be higher because I'm kind of creeped out right now, but we're going to go ahead and see what it's like. Permission required. Okay, allow, whatever. I'm going to guess 70. I'm a pretty calm person overall. 65, 69. Okay, so my beats per minute is 69. Let me go ahead and check on my Apple Watch to see if it's accurate. 69 seems right, honestly. I don't think I'd be anything higher. So let's look at the ECG app. So my Apple Watch, I'll have to flip the camera over or something, but it's showing 68. I'll show in the health app somewhere for you guys to see, but you know, I don't know how accurate this is. I can't really say if this is accurate, but I mean, from my own heartbeat measuring internally that I do, I would say like around 70 is where I'm at right now. So let's get the messages. You know what, let me not text people on this phone. Let me do a call. Not call people on this phone either. Let me look at the display. This doesn't even look like 120 hertz right now. Yeah, this looks like 60. Give me that 120, baby. Oh, give me that dark mode too. Ooh, now this might be the phone for me. Yeah. Okay, so in terms of first impressions, yeah, in terms of first impressions, I really don't know what to say for this phone. The front smells like fish. The back of the phone looks gorgeous, jaw-dropping, honestly. The camera is not normal for portrait mode. I would definitely say even regular camera, just record in video and then screenshot what you want in video. Speakers are a little bit lacking. Honestly, if the Samsung S21 is near you for around the same price, just get the S21. Honestly, you can choose the S22. Not 22, but you know, S20. Yeah. Like, what is this? This randomly just came up. Read your contacts. No. Deny. Deny. What is this? What app am I in? What in the world is this? I got sent the Chinese phone, 100%. 100%. These have to be pets. I'm assuming this is a pet screen. I'm going to see animals. Okay, yep, this is a Chinese phone. Yep, I got the wrong phone. I'm taking my SIM card out. Nope. Get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Get in the iPhone right now. Pronto. Please have service. Please show me the LTE. Show me the LTE. No SIM card installed? No. T-Mobile. We're back. Full bars. That's what I like to see, baby. Oh, they have a wallet app. You can apply for a loan? Hold up. Let me apply for a loan real quick. Oh, gotta type in my phone number. That's a negative. So this is the Xiaomi Mi 11. But this is not the international version. Maybe this is the international version. I don't know. All I know is I can't use this as my primary device because 1, my SIM card doesn't work. 2, It's literally in Chinese, even though I chose English. I mean, this display is gorgeous though, oh my God. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for my first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi 11. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if this is the Chinese version or if the international version just ships like this, because I'm honestly confused. I have no idea what I'm looking at. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video of me unboxing this. Let me see if this smells like fish still. Ooh, yeah, that smells like fish. I just lost all my train of thought because there's just fish is in my nostrils right now. But yeah, this is probably going to be the only video you see of the Xiaomi Mi 11 unless I get the proper international version. Like, there's no Google Play Store, there's nothing. I just have Baidu Map. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, please let me know if this is the Chinese version or if the international version just ships like this. I am really curious to know. But if you guys did enjoy this video, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. But yeah, that's it for this video. Much love. How do I wipe this phone? I'm about to toss this phone across the world.